What's up everybody? Today we're going to be making CBN infused honey, so let's get into it. Start by adding your honey to your pot. Now we're going to add our CBN isolate. Now we're going to add our MCT oil. We're going to be using powder MCT oil instead of the regular liquid MCT oil. This will prevent your oil from rising to the top once you add it to your infused beverages. Now mix everything together. Alright guys, so it took me about 5 minutes to mix all of the ingredients together. So don't worry if at first you see some lumps of the powder in your honey. It's typically normal, but I recommend using a half a tablespoon of MCT powder. Now I'm going to pour my honey to this container. Alright guys, my CBN infused honey is done. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.